Hello, in this video I will be showing us how we'll be able to change the background of any object. How we can be able to change the background of any object. Aside from that, I'll also be showing us how we'll be able to resize our image to give us the kind of settings which we're actually looking for. Also, I'll be able to show us how we'll be able to make one or two simple edits using the Photoshop. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do now, I want to change the background of this image. I want to make it to be transparent. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to drag this image to Photoshop. I'm going to drag it to my Photoshop. The first thing you observe here is that this image is locked. It's locked on. You can't move it around. You can't drag it around. So I'm going to unlock it. Double click on it. So now it is unlocked. You can move it around. The next thing I want to do now is I'm going to duplicate the layer. The second layer, which is this down one, drag it to the trash can. Then click on your lasso tool. If you are not seeing this particular tool, come here, polygon lasso tool, click on that, and let's start tracing. You start tracing the object. You can zoom it in, zoom it out using your plus or minus on your keyboard. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. Okay, let's go. We'll be tracing it gradually. Just the edge area of the object. Let's just trace the edge area of the object. So you're going to be using your mouse to be tracing it. Just be tracing it. I hope you are following me. Just trace the edge area. Of the object. You don't need to rush. Just be doing it bit by bit. There's no cause for alarm. No shaking. Alright, I've been able to join the two lines together. Able to join the two lines together. The next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to feather just 2, right click, then feather 2. Are you getting me? Then Ctrl C, then Ctrl V, copy and paste. Now you can see they are now 2. Remember, you are seeing me. By the time you hide this, you have this transparent part. By the time you release it, you discover that this transparent part is still there. Let me just put this one to my trash can. So this is what I need. But there's something that is still here. It has not gone. Let me just pick my. You can still use your these two. We didn't select this area. So let's just select it. Let's select it. The way it is, just click on delete. Alright, that's it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to introduce a background. I'm going to bring a background in, although I'm not making use of the background in this picture. I want to use it blank, but I want to show us one or two things. Let me bring a blank background in. The first image which we had before, is this. Before we edited it, that's the first image. So if I want to bring this one to the background now, just dragging this to this background, you can see what I'm having. Can you see? Perfect. Alright, let me just save this. Let me save it. Save for web. Convert this to PNG. You can now see the transparent part of the image of the work. Convert it to PNG. Don't make that mistake, please. Convert it to PNG. Don't make that mistake. Alright, save.